Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if it's your first time. Is it Easter yet? No, I think that's next month. Isn't it next month?
It's next month.
Oh well, we're still gonna show the creepy bunny. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if it's your first time. I am Tampa J. This is my fiance Chris the girl. I want to thank you all for clicking on this video. And we just want to start out by saying, us together, we have something to say here before we get rolling. I'll start out by saying thank you so much to everyone who reached out to us after our car incident video. Oh my gosh, guys, we're just blown away with the amount of support and love that we received in the comment section. We just wanted to inform you what was going on in our lives, and I was just so amazed that you guys were there and made this process so much easier. If you didn't catch that video, we got in a bad car accident up in Tennessee just over a week ago, and we put it out there in the universe, just told our story and what happened, and we just received a massive amount of love. And thank you so much, all those who reached out and just made our days.
Yeah, it means the world to us. It really, really does. And we, honest to goodness, did not expect to receive so much support and understanding and kind words and all the things. So we just really, really appreciate you all for reaching out and being concerned and just all of that. It really means the world to us, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys, you're awesome. So if you read the title of this video, I have decided that I am going to go buy a new car again. To catch you up on what happened, we had the incident. I just was let know a couple days ago that my car is a total loss. It's been totaled, and so that means I don't have a car anymore. And thankfully, when I purchased my car back in January of 2024, I purchased the gap insurance. So that means if anything like this were to happen, and unfortunately it did, it means I would be covered. And I also had Progressive, and I had like double gap insurance. Little did I know I was paying a lot of money for insurance, but it's one of the best things I ever did. So the car is a big part of the channel. I'm doing roadside stuff. I'm always driving. That's why I did like over 50,000 miles in almost a year. So it's a very important tool for myself, because I also have another job that I need it for, but I use it primarily for the channel. And right now I've been in a rental car, and I have to turn that back in tomorrow. So tonight is the night I'm going to go look for a new car. So that's the video. And maybe we'll get pizza.
Yeah.
We always get pizza. That's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm not wearing a hat, and I might look very clear. I'm filming in 4K for the first time. Don't always expect that, but there's much ahead. Here we are on the interstate, back on 75.
Oh boy.
I just put that together.
Yeah, me too.
Back on 75, not in Tennessee, heading north of Tampa, out to New Tampa area, a neighborhood called Wesley Chapel. I'm going back to where I bought my last car. And here it is. We returned to the same dealership as we did back in January 2024. I mean, we did the same thing.
Exact same thing.
We were in your car and everything. We've done this before. Deja vu.
Yeah.
All right, folks. So we are already here, and someone's helping us. Check this out. Giant flag across the street. You got BMW. I purchased a 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Sport, and it's been my all-time favorite car. It's the car that saved our lives. This is the car we crashed in. I am going to test drive another one. Now, mine was like gunmetal gray and gold. This one's black and gold. Fun fact, I'm a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, so I really like this color. There's also a silver one here too. How about a Smurf Blue Impreza? Which car brands make the best vehicles? Subaru is number 2 on this list, behind BMW. Then Porsche, look at this. Honda, I almost bought a Honda last time around. This comes to no shock, Volkswagen is way down there. I'll never buy one of those again. Subaru, Honda, look at that. I almost bought a Honda.
Yeah. And then Kia.
I drove a lot of cars to test. All right, folks. So this is what's going down. The car that I'm interested in is at their other lot. So we're gonna actually have to leave this lot and go with the salesperson to look at the car. So this is a unique situation. I'm driving this car, test driving it, us by ourselves, following the salesperson back to the dealership because this is their remote lot, their overflow lot.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in my car. Yeah, there's a lot of cars back here. Undisclosed location.
Yep. Secret.
See, there's Kias out here too, Volkswagens. There's an all green cross strap. That's cool. I like it.
Yeah, it feels like home, huh?
It does. It's the same car. The models have not changed. 2024 and 2025, same car. We came over in a Wilderness. We're following the salesperson in the Wilderness. It was really nice too. Wilderness you can tow. Heavier chassis, but tires. The gas mileage goes down though. Not too much. This gets 33 miles average per gallon on the top end, and that one gets 29. So not too much of a difference, but it's about $6,000 more. It's a heavier chassis, but you can tow.
It could be worth it to tow. Yeah, because we've been talking about getting a camper for a while.
So, but we just have to. I don't know. Someone else needs a new car too.
I'm hoping to get a new car at some point, and I want a bigger car. I want an actual SUV.
You can get the towing.
So I'm hoping to get a vehicle that can actually tow something in the back. So we're holding out on that.
It's like I never left. It's like this is my car. It's exactly the same.
Yeah.
Nothing has changed, and all the Crosstrek Sports specifically look like this. The trim is all the same in every, no matter what the exterior color is, they all look like this. They've got the yellow trim.
So what are you thinking about the color? Because we're in a black and yellow right now.
I love that color that I had before, but I never had the option for a black and yellow, I don't think. And
I don't recall that being an option.
I want my same. I would love to have my same car back, but at the same time, it kind of reminds me of what happened. And if I buy this car, I feel like I should change the color.
Good time for a fresh start.
Yeah. So, and black and yellow Steelers. I kind of feel like Dad was watching over us that day. He's a Steelers fan too, so could be a sign.
Same.
Now, what do you feel about the black and yellow?
Batman colors.
It does look like the Batman mobile.
The J-Mobile.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. I have a black car. I love black cars.
Yeah.
That's the next color car that I'm probably going to get. So, yeah. No, I love it.
They had a green, but they all have, the sports all have a yellow trim. So, I like the green, but it looks like, no offense to you Packers fans out there. There's going to be a Packer fan that loves that car, but that's the only reason I didn't go with the green.
Kind of giving John Deere a little too.
John Deere, yeah, that's cool. Also, there was like a blue and yellow,
which is really pretty.
I'm a Pacers fan, so it could have been a Pacers card. There it is, nice drive, familiar drive. Will I be back in black? Let's see if I can get a better deal than last time. Crunch some numbers. I never thought we'd be back in the hot seat this soon.
Yep.
For
that
you.
Would be for me.
I thought we'd be working a deal for you.
Yeah.
Wow. What a ride. Here's a nice Forester there for you, babe. Wilderness. I like the black. These gentlemen are having a nice time fishing. They got a nice canoe. They got a tent. I want to go there. Where's that? Do you want to tell them what I just did?
You just bought a car.
I did?
You did.
That was so fast.
Yeah.
How long have we been here? Honest.
Few hours.
Few hours.
Yeah.
But we had to go pick up the car.
That took 40 minutes.
And you're going to buy this car.
Yeah, some other time.
All right, folks. So I just bought the same car twice.
Yeah?
Has anyone ever done that?
Hopefully not, honestly.
I really love this car, and I missed it, and thankfully I bought the Gap insurance. Always buy the Gap insurance.
Always buy the Gap
This is my first ever time buying a brand new car, and man, I'm just so thankful right now that this all worked out. I'm thankful we're alive.
Yep.
But I got a better interest rate. I got a cheaper payment, and thankfully I got a better warranty for miles, because I already put 50,000 on it, and I got a 100,000 mile warranty in 5 years. So that's instantly better than what I got last time.
Yeah.
So it worked out. My credit wasn't as good last time around, and I lucked out this time. My credit was better. So yeah, I just want to thank everyone here at Wesley Chapel Subaru for the amazing service. That was one of the easiest car buying experiences I've ever had, and that's why I came back here.
Both of them, yeah.
Twice, yeah. So I'm so speechless and happy right now. And yeah, so we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna show the car and get some pizza.
Yeah.
We're doing the same thing we did.
We did.
We left Subaru. I followed you in my new car, and we went to Mellow Mushroom, right here in Wesley Chapel. And we're gonna do the same thing tonight. Munch ahead.
So,
time to celebrate with the best food in the world, with the best girl in the world. I also was able to get these cool covers for my doors. This little yellow trim. That's a nice little bonus too. I'm gonna drive safe. Of course, I've got Starlink just as I had before, my Subaru. Gonna call the insurance, let them know I'm back in black. Cars are reunited.
Yep.
We have made it to Mellow Mushroom. We love this pizza. I think this is our 4th time eating Mellow Mushroom in less than...
You don't have to tell them that.
Less than 2 weeks.
You don't have to tell them that.
Pigeon Forge, Ocala, and a couple others.
Yeah, a couple other spots.
I can't remember, but yeah, I think this is like the 4th time.
Yeah.
We're seated here in Mellow Mushroom. I love that. All Mellow Mushrooms are themed differently. A lot of them are themed towards the area. This one's just got a very like Florida vibe going on in here. Very different. Mellow Mushroom started in 1973. Oh, speaking of Florida, look at this. Straight up. It's a manatee. We just put our order in. See the manatee? Chris went and got her jacket. It's cold in here.
It's cold.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Are you guys ready to see the pizza? I know I am. Got a little salad with ranch. Fresh salad. And there it is. Pineapple and mushroom. We always get the same.
Yep.
This is our favorite.
And we get it well done.
Well done, yeah, because we want the crust. Yeah, just like that. It's all about the crust and the sauce. So Mellow Mushroom's crust is like a sourdough bread, and I think that's what makes it so good.
It's definitely unique.
Great pizza. So good we get it all the time. We did pretty good, check it out. 2 slices left. We got a medium. We got the box going there. I got baked at Mellow Mushroom, the pizza bakers. Since I think it's 1973 or 1974. Actually it's 74 because they had their 50th anniversary last year. I got my half and half to go, and we're gonna hit the road. So go right in my brand new cup holder.
Spill it.
Oh no, I got the spill things. I got
That's true. The coasters.
the coasters.
Yeah.
They threw those in for free. So we both have black cars now. It's my first black car.
Car fleet.
All right, guys. Well, thank you. Just feel so incredibly lucky. Wow. Speechless, really. Just feel incredibly lucky. I would give anything not to go through what we did. I would give anything to go back and just not have that wreck. That was very traumatizing for the both of us. Never forget that. That was just crazy. But I'm glad we were able to turn it into something. The universe helped us out tonight, I feel, and thankfully I just feel so lucky, and I'm happy I could share these moments with all you guys. Thanks for watching and sticking with us. And yeah, you want to say anything here at the end?
I can't think of anything. Just happy for you.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. It's a great car. I'm probably going to be buying a Subaru somewhere down the road, but
I meant to bring that up.
yeah,
It saved our lives.
yeah.
It's a great car. for safety, and they're known for that. And I've had so many people since the time of the accident come up and ask me, oh, what happened to your car? Oh, I wrecked it, and it was a Subaru. And they're like, oh yeah, there's so many people that have the same story about how safe the Subarus were. So that's out there, and that's true. Unfortunately we can tell you that they're a great choice of cars when you're trying to think of safety, because they have so many safety features. This one is just loaded with it, and that's one of the main reasons why I went back to it. Yeah, and a lot more. If you want to see the original video where I bought my car, same model, this is a 2025, that was 2024. I'll put a link in the description below so you can see. I did like a full tour of it, so it's the same car, it's just black, not gray. Yeah, all right, so it's a school night. We are going to be going home and going straight to bed. We got to get up early for our regular jobs. Thanks again for watching and sticking to the end. Appreciate you guys. There'll be much ahead. We got so many videos coming in 2025 and still in March. So check out Chris the Girl on YouTube if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? You're missing out if you haven't. I'll put a link to her video, or your video. You weren't filming tonight.
No.
To your channel below.
Thank you.
Yeah, I gotta say all the things here at the end, guys. And I gotta say all the thank yous to you guys. And I love you guys. Thanks for making this whole process easier. I couldn't have done it without you guys, so thank you. That's it. We're gonna wrap it up. Thank you, Mellow Mushroom. We'll see you soon. I don't know if it'll be this one. It'll probably be another one. We go to all of them.
Who knows? Yeah.
All right, guys. Know you're awesome. Know you're loved. And no matter who you are, what you're going through, just know that there's always much ahead. Buy the Gap insurance if you buy a new car. No joke.
But seriously,
that saved me. I would have been out thousands of dollars. Whoops, I'm not filming you.
People were like, thank goodness you bought the Gap. Like,
buy the Gap.
Buy the Gap.
It's only
every time.
It was only $13 more a month. I broke it down. It added $1,000.
Grand scheme of things. Yes. Yeah.
Now I got it for 100,000 miles.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. Buy the Gap and buy Subaru. Don't tell them Tampa J sent you.
Oh, don't listen.
Oh, Kias are nice too.
Yeah, it was high up on the list.
It's a great car.
Yeah, it's a great car.
Great car.
That's a great car.
Good car. All right, guys. Bye. Love you. Peace out. Drive safe. Drive safe. And responsibly.